Hello and welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. If your chicken tastes bland, probably you're skipping the steps. Most people add spices and cook right away, but I'm going to show you how I bring out as much flavor as possible from my chicken. So let's get started. So I'll add my chicken seasoning. I'll add to the description what I used, and I'll mix thoroughly. So I'm mixing to ensure it's mixed. So I'll add my onion, habanero peppers, but I love peppers, and bay leaves. So we'll keep this in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour before I cook. Today I'm cooking. It's 30 minutes now. I'm bringing out my chicken to cook. This is the key. I'm adding my chicken to a dry pot without water. So I'll allow the chicken to cook to release its own fluid. So we cook on medium heat. It's 15 minutes now. Guys, you see the reason why we don't add water to the chicken? Because we want the chicken to release its own fluid. You can see. So we allow this to cook for another 5 minutes till it's tender. So our chicken is ready to be used for any recipe. Remember to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can be receiving delicious recipes from this channel.